Chi Luxury Black Seed Oil Dry Shampoo. It's to rejuvenate, revitalize, and fortify. I'm just kind of working it into the hair, brushing it through to make it even. And then we're starting to pin it up and like get all the tangles out and just kind of brush it through. Note, my hair is not curled or anything. You're gonna sweep it 1, 2, 3, and then lock a little loop and start pulling it through really heavy right through here. It doesn't need to be perfect. We're going to pin it. So let me take some bobby pins and we just kind of pin where you want it to look. If you want it to be more sleek, then just do it a little more softer and just kind of work it a little bit, but I want mine to look a little more messy and a little more full, so I'm just going to really work with it and put a bunch of different bobby pins in different places just to kind of give me some play. Just kind of really working it. And now here we're just going to pull out some little pieces. You can do this beforehand. I like to do it after so I don't pull too much out, but if you have issues with like accidentally pulling out too much hair, I suggest doing that beforehand, just to kind of frame the face a little bit. And then after you do that, you just take a round and just kind of pull out of the hair bow a little bit just to fluff up the edges so it's not super flat to the head. And then if you see any places you missed or you want a little more extra pin, you can. And then to top off the look, I'm using Redken Triple Take 32 Hairspray. This is just an easy way to do your hair fun, but super quick if you're on the go. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.